lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome, super well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in today. Thank you for clicking on this video. I do appreciate it. Beauty month is coming to an end, and this is the makeup look I have for you guys today. And I use this palette from Laroc. This is the Cocktail Collections palette. And I kept the look really easy and simple today. And the beauty product I'm going to highlight is this foundation from Maybelline. This is a Dream Radiant Liquid Foundation, and this is in Caramel, one of my favorite foundations. And this foundation made me look like I'm wearing nothing. It matches my skin so perfectly. Really nice, really soft. It reminds me of the Soft Focus Foundation from Morphe. Very, very, very beautiful foundation. Gave me a really beautiful neutral look. So this is what I'm highlighting today. And if you guys want to see how I came up with this makeup look, keep watching, and I thank you guys so much for tuning in today. My name is Odette. I shall see you next time. Bye! So my eyes are done, and I use this Laroc Cocktail Collection palette, and I just kept it really simple. I went in with some glitter today, love that. Onto the face using my favorite foundation. This is my favorite foundation from Maybelline. This is the Dream Radiant Foundation, and I'm going to be using my blender brush here, and we're just going to go in and blend this out. And this is all I really need for foundation. This is my Benefit Concealer, and just a little dot under the eyes. This is my Sasha ButterCup powder. I haven't used this powder in ages, so we're just going to tap this off a little bit. So this is my NW45 powder from MAC, and I know you must be saying, you know, again with the powder, Odette. I'm trying to pan this one, that's why. And then a little blush on the cheeks. This is from Skeek. let's work on the lips quickly. So I'm going in with something purple today. This is from Boohoo. And of course, purple lip liner. Really like that. And we are going to set everything right now. Okay, my lovelies, here we are with the finished look of the makeup. Really easy, really simple. Please guys, don't judge me too hard. This is how I like to do my makeup. I don't like too many things on my face. I really don't. I like to keep it really simple and subtle. I really, really do. And I use this palette from Laroc. This is a collection. This is a cocktail collection palette. This palette has pressed pigments. And I always find that pressed pigments are a little bit harder to work with because you know, they're just so loose, and I think the best thing or the best way to use pressed pigments is with a glitter glue. This way it's going to stick much better and be a little bit more bold and vibrant on the eyes. I just went in with the concealer today, which did a really good job. It looks okay. I hope it's coming across okay for you guys. And the lipstick, I have no idea what the name of this lipstick is. I got this from Boohoo online. If I can find it, it's going to be down below for you, and that's it. This is the end of the video. Give me a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoy. Sound off in the description box below. Let me know what you think of this makeup look today. On that note, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time. Bye!